everyone, welcome back to Fabricating Fringe. Today I'm really excited to share with you something from UniWigs. It's been quite a while since I've shared something from UniWigs, and I've always been happily pleased with everything I've shared from their brand. And it looks like they have a new box as well, so that's kind of cool, and a new topper. We all like toppers, and this is called the Megan Silk Remy Human Hair Topper. I think she looks pretty. What do you guys think? I do need to cut off the lace up front. Note that if you do get something that needs the lace cut off, if I am correct, you do not want to cut it off if you are intending to send it back. If it's not the correct color, if it's not going to be something for you, don't go trimming off the lace if you think you are going to return it. However, I think this is going to be fine, and I want to cut this lace off so I can show you guys exactly what I'm going to do and get a good feel for this piece. Now, I haven't styled my biological hair to match the nice smooth texture of this human hair, but it's still going to show you guys the difference that it can make. So when you cut your lace, and this is probably not showing you, I can never really show on camera how to cut this lace properly. It's kind of hard to hold it up and do a good job. But you'll just want to, trim it up to that hairline. Honestly, using pinking shears is probably your ideal type of shear to use. It'll probably keep the lace from fraying and things like that. However, I'm just using your typical pair of shears, and I haven't had issues using these types of shears with my UniWigs pieces that do have a lace front, but you can see that with that lace front, before I trimmed that excess off, they used a type of pinking shear, and that's what has been suggested to me if I needed to fix a wig that has a lace front, or like a mono lace front, things like that. So anyway, that's neither here nor there. Here's the topper. The lace is cut. It does have quite a good amount of lace up front. And then this is a silk top. The silk top looks really nice if you look at it. And quite honestly, it's nice and light as well. Some silk tops can be thick, they can be heavy, and just feeling it right here, it feels really nice and light. I can actually see my fingers moving underneath it, so that just proves that it's nice and light. It doesn't look overly dense. I love those silk tops because they are your most realistic looking base. It looks the most like, scalp. So the Megan topper has a 7.5 by 8 inch base. Looks like they have the option for curly or straight. So that's kind of nice because there are quite a few out there who have trouble finding toppers, human hair toppers that are curly. So keep that in mind if you are a curly hair girl looking for a topper that has those curls that you're looking for. The color on this is 6/8R, and that is described as 75% chestnut brown blended with 25% lightest brown. You can see a mixture of color. So it's not just a solid shade, which I think is beautiful when you can see a little bit of dimension within a color like this. I think it's really, really pretty. This length is 16 inches, and forgive my hair, I kind of look like I have a mullet. right now. But that's why we have toppers. The density on this topper is 130%. So it looks like this Megan topper has 4 pressure sensitive clips. And this has a 7.5 by 8 inch base. And the silk area is 4 inches by 4.25 inches. And then of course you have this area around that silk base that is closed wefting. That just adds to the bulk, the coverage, and the extra hair that you might need for coverage and length and volume. Another thing that this topper has is an added halo wire. This can be another type of way that you can secure this piece onto your head. Okay, so let's put this baby on. Now this does have a lace front, so if you wanted to wear this right up to your front hairline, you can do so. However, if you felt like you wanted to blend it with your biological hair, that is doable as well, which I may do that. You just kind of have to play around with these pieces and figure out what works for you. If you do have thinning in your front hairline, something with a lace front does help. If you have some bio hair to mix, that can really make it look realistic. So you just do what works for you. You can add a bang, you can trim it, you can do so much with these pieces, and just, you know, have fun. There's no wrong or right way. I think people get so caught up in like doing it the right way, but the bottom line is there is no right way. You have to figure out what's good for you. This isn't perfect. I'm just playing real quick to blend it. See, it's not perfect. My little hairs are falling out. Now what I would need to do, and I probably should have done this before I even put on the topper, would have been to prep my bio hair, which I neglected to do. But now that the topper's on, it's kind of bothering me that my bio hair is not flattened to match the beautiful, sleek look of this pretty topper. The human hair feels really, really nice, nice and smooth. This is 100% human hair, FYI. It feels really good. The color is gorgeous. All in all, I'm impressed. I'm really impressed. I feel like the silk looks really great. You have room for the multi-directional parting. It looks like natural hair growth. You know, you can have fun with styling and do whatever you wish. My little braid's kind of falling out, but you get the idea. I think it's really cute. This one is almost not long enough, just barely. So I think I can get away with it. Like I said, the length is 16 inches. My hair grows any more, I'd probably need like 18 inches or longer. This topper is ideal for covering the top and crown of your head. It's going to add extra volume and coverage. It's great for hair loss. It's great for covering, thin areas. It's fantastic for just giving you some extra oomph and va-va-voom if you have some lifeless limp hair. So there's just so much fun and so much great advantages to wearing hair toppers. You can definitely wear these pieces up as well. As you can see, my biological hair is slightly darker. However, I do feel like this color matches pretty well, and I'm quite impressed with the feel of this human hair. Oh, I think it feels great. It's nice and smooth. The nice thing about UniWigs is they often have fantastic sales. They have just really great periodic holiday sales and discounts and coupon codes. However, if there is not a code handy, you can use the code AMB15 for 15% off at UniWigs. And they have a variety of things. They have human hair, they have synthetic, they have toppers, they have fashion wigs. I mean, they have a whole slew of things over there at UniWigs. So let me know what you guys think about this topper. What do you think about the transformation? What have your purchases been like with UniWigs? I've always, I've always been pleased with the pieces I have reviewed and tried from UniWigs. They've always been wonderful to work with as well. So, I'm happy to share this piece. It's been quite a while. And one thing I really believe in with sharing hair is just sharing what's out there. I think that there is a product for everyone, and not one size fits all, not one place fits all. And putting a lot of information out there, a variety of places, products, budgets, options, it just allows for everybody to view the options that are available so you can pick the best thing for you and your individual needs. I'm grateful to have the opportunity to have shared for UniWigs among a few other brands, and I think this is a really pretty piece. Now, I didn't do a very great job smoothing out my biological hair in the back, so I'm not quite sure what it looks like, but let's do a full turnaround. Alright, let me know what you think. Comment below, give me a thumbs up if this was helpful, and until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye!